Okay. Hi everybody, it's Kawi here. For those who are, new here, my name is Kawi. You can call me Kawi. And today I'm very excited. But before we get to that, I just want to say thank you for your continued support, for for the positive vibes, the positive comments, your encouragement, everything, guys. It means so much, and I truly appreciate you. And now back to why I'm very excited. I know I'm always very excited, but today I'm extremely excited. So I got my first ever, I don't know if you can see this. Well, what happened is I thought the camera was recording, but it wasn't recording, and I just recorded, like, I was just talking for about 10 minutes, and only to realize the camera wasn't recording. So yeah, anyway, I have this. I don't know if you can see this. It's a drone. It's my first ever drone. That's why I'm very excited. I've never touched a drone. Today I just touched a drone for the first time. And yeah, so we have a drone. It's because I bought this one today because we are traveling somewhere very nice next week, and I will be needing a drone. That's what I thought, or that's what I think, and that's why I got this drone. And it's quite tiny. I don't know if you can see this, guys. It's quite well, this one I'm gonna throw it away. It's not for kids. Okay, it's very tiny, and I got this because I don't have to register this drone. I don't know, because normally with the big drones you have to register with the government and this kind of stuff, but with this one I don't have to register. I don't have to do anything, maybe in most countries, because it's quite tiny. And yeah, it's a good one. It's portable, it's light, it's the best. DJI, I don't know if this is how you pronounce it. DJI Mini SE. And yeah, so I was in the process of unboxing this, only to realize the camera wasn't recording, so we had to redo it again. And well, it's fine, it's okay. I don't mind. Okay, so I don't know what these are. I have never used a drone. Well, I've never used a drone actually, but I'm gonna learn. I think it has a manual. I will definitely try to assemble these things. I'll check some YouTube videos, see how this thing works. Well, I don't know what are these. Let's see what are these. What are these? I think it's the charger or something. Let's see. If you hear the noise, guys, it's because we are cooking. We are cooking dinner with my friend here. Maybe you can come and say hi. Somebody's behind the camera. Yeah. Okay. We have the I think this is the charger, yeah? Because I think these are the batteries or something. Yeah. So I think maybe one, it should be free. There are two here, but they should be free. So maybe one is in this stuff, in this what? Yeah, in this drone. So let's see. Okay. Let me see this. Okay. I have no idea how to use this thing. I need to learn how to use this drone by the 17th, because we are traveling on the 17th somewhere. I'm gonna tell you over the week before the 17th, of course. There's something else over here. I don't know what it is, but let me see what it is. Ooh, I've never used a drone. I need to practice. Okay. I think these are propellers, guys. These are propellers. But my goodness. Okay, those are propellers. Okay, I think these are chargers for what? This is a Type-C charger, I think. I don't know this one what it is for, but I'm gonna figure it out by Thursday, how to use all these things. Okay, and it's on. Can I have your phone, Jenny, please? Can I have your phone?
Yeah.
goodness, I don't know how to use this. I don't know how to use this. Do you have an idea? Jenny?
No, I don't
No?
know. I don't
Maybe you can come and say hi.
Okay.
Just say hi. Her name is Jenny.
Hi.
She's such an amazing girl. She's very shy. She's gone. Okay, so I don't know how to use this.
No.
How do you use this?
No, I don't
How
know.
do you open this? Jenny?
Let me check.
Yeah, you can check, right? I have no idea. There's nothing else. Just the charger. I think this one is the charger for the... You did?
The remote, right?
Yeah, it's a
No,
remote, but I think you need to put like your phone or something. Maybe? God, I need to check the tutorials on YouTube of how to use things. But yeah, guys, that is it. I think I'm just gonna figure out how to use this because I have no idea, zero idea. Flat. Okay, there are other propellers down here. Okay, I'm just gonna open that. Hey, hey, hey! Look at this, guys. Okay, let me show you. Oh no, 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 no! Oops! No, go away. Go away. Chanel. Her name is Chanel. No, you can go away. Go away. Go. No, don't come here. Okay, she just wants, it's a she. She just wanna play. And she's back. Okay, so I'm just trying to figure out how to use this. But I think that's something I'm gonna have to learn. Okay. No. Okay, I think it's, come on. How do you use this? No, no, Jenny.
No idea.
No idea.
We have to wait.
Yes?
Okay. It's okay.
Okay. And it's quite small. It's compact. Compact or compact?
Compact.
Compact. Okay. I don't want to break it because I have no idea what I should do with this. So, there it is. What's next? How do you open this? Okay, it's 249 ultralight grams. It's very light. I'm just thinking about the wind. What happens if the wind comes? It's just gonna get blown. Chanel, please
Come on.
stay away. I need. No, this is.
Can I come on?
I think this one is for the phone. But how do you open it? Okay, como así, como así. I did it, Jenny. And then what?
Let me check it. Sounds Spanish.
So? No. Okay. No. No. Oh. You can't imagine what I just did. Okay.
Okay, okay.
It was upside down, so. Okay. So it should be like, como así. And then what? How do we put this on? Okay. No. Jenny, I have no idea how to use this.
Me too.
I have no idea. I think I'm just gonna take time and, try and figure out how this thing works. Because, no. Okay, I think it's on. Okay, so what? What next? Okay. Anyway, guys, those are the that's all. I think I'm just gonna end this video now. because I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea how this stuff works. Like I'm trying to connect this. My goodness, this is going to be a lot of work. Yes, it's going to be a lot of work. So I'm just gonna read the manuals, and maybe tomorrow I can try to fly it for the first time. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna watch YouTube tutorials. So guys, if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. We are traveling soon on the 17th. I'm gonna tell you when. Where, not when, where. The date is the 17th, but where, I'm gonna tell you very soon over the week. So yeah, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. It means so much, and I love you guys so much. Bye bye. Ciao ciao. Besos.